Hello, thanks for watching my video. This is going to help you figure out how to do templates as far as changing what we have here. So you can use this to actually learn how to create your own tags through Canva and also manipulate what we have here. So these are tags I've already done. So like this one I already did. Now what you can do is come in and like say you don't like the font. Let me zoom in a little bit better for you so you can see. So we'll start with this one. You don't like the font. That's fine. All you have to do is click on it. Just like, not even have to highlight it, just click. And then drop this arrow down. Find the font you want. I mean, you can change it. You see it's changing. And to whatever you want. You can go through as many as you want and figure it out. And the best thing about Canva is it shows you what it looks like. And I love that part about it. So you can go through, they have thousands, I'm telling you. It's like a ton in here of different fonts. But you can do that. Now this, let's say you don't like this design right here, but you want this one. All you have to do, move that one, pull that one there. It's that simple. It's fairly easy. Sometimes it gets a little complicated. Like if you're, you want to move two things, but you keep grabbing something else, you can lock something into place. So like you don't want this Valentine's to move at all. You like the location. Just right click and go to lock and then hit lock. And there it is right there. It's locked. And to unlock it, you simply click it and hit the lock and it unlocks. And that's very simple. Sometimes when I was designing these, I kept moving the cards around, even though I just wanted to move the letters. I was accidentally grabbing the cards and I didn't know it and kept moving. It was so frustrating, but that's how you do it. Now, to get these to where you can print them, like I know you don't want all of these cards to be printed. So to do that, all you do is select your card. And the best way to do it is to draw a box, just like this. That selects it. And now you can either copy it by right-clicking and hitting copy or hitting Control-C. You can see the shortcut right there. So hit copy, and then we're going to scroll down. Let me zoom out so you can see what it looks like. This is the page I left for you to put what you want on. So just paste it on here. You can position it however you want. You just put it there and then go up here, grab another one, copy that one, paste it on here, put it wherever you want. I like to put it next to it because what you're going to do is you're going to download this as a ping. So you're going to hit share, download, and then here you're going to want to do transparent. Otherwise you're going to have this black background. You don't want that, especially if you're using a Cricut. It's not going to work well for you. So do transparent background, and then here where it says select pages, you're going to uncheck all pages and then select the one you want, which this one, oh, we got it clicked. This one is page 2. So I'm going to go back in here, hit download, transparent background, unselect all pages, select page 2, and then I'm going to hit done. That's all the stuff I want selected. Now, you can save settings, but that's going to save your download settings for the next one. You don't want to do that. And then hit download. And here it is. It still shows up as black because it doesn't have a background. So it automatically puts it as black. So don't worry about that. But now if you're going to go to Cricut, you can pull it in and it will just show these tags. And you can do a print and cut. That simple. And it'll print it and then cut it. If you were doing this, you should know how to print and cut. Now, if you want to use the blank ones, you select it. And if you don't like any of these designs, then come over here to Elements, right here, click on it. And, say you want a heart. You click that. And then they got graphical hearts, they got photo hearts, they got hearts you can put pictures in. So these you can actually find a picture and put inside. These ones with the cloud, they'll let you put your own picture in there. And that's a whole nother video. So we're not going to go over that right now. But these graphics right here, these are what I always use. So you can add any of these and they'll come up in the middle. And then what you're going to want to do is select it, bring it down. And of course that's way too big. So we got to scale it down a bit. And then put it right there. Let's zoom in so we can see how it really looks. And scroll over. There you go. So that's how it looks. And these don't really lead up to the end of it. But that's how it would look. But you can choose from, I mean, there's thousands and thousands of designs in here. So you can find one you like and, click them, put them over here, see how they look. Don't like it, delete it. Go for another one. Like this one seems kind of cute. You can make it smaller, bring it over there, and use that. I mean, it's up to you. You can make your own wording if you want. You don't have to use what I have. But at least the tags are done for you. And that's the hardest part. But this is all you have to do. And if you have any questions, please feel free to message me in Etsy.